Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to create a free WordPress website. So simply just go to your Google Chrome and after that just type here WordPress. So after that select here. So you can simply directly go to wordpress.com or simply just you can find it here from Google. After that just open this and now here you can see you have opened your wordpress.com. After that just on the top right side you can see the get started option. So simply click on get started and after that here just you can type your email here and also you can add your username here. You can also add your password here. So in these three sections you have to add your personal details like email, username and password. After that here you can see continue with Google or continue with Apple. So simply I will select continue with Google and after that just click on your Google account and now wait for few seconds. So now simply we have successfully signed up for WordPress. So now here choose a domain. So simply just choose your domain here, like I am selecting this one. So now click on filters. So as you can see these domains are available. So here you can see these are domains are paid, so free for the first year. So simply I will select this one. Simply select this. Here you can select the plan. So like $4, $8, $25, pay monthly, annually, or start with the free site. So if you want to buy a premium package you can also read all the details, like these all the packages details. So simply I will click on start with the free site. Simply click here. So if you buy a premium package you have also multiple functions, and so now here you can see what are your goals. So select all that apply. So I want to sell online, simply I select this one. Now click on continue. So now here search for category. So simply I will select the sports here. Now click on continue. Now here store name. So like I am typing the store name here. Tagline, you can also add the tagline. And after that just click on continue. So finally here you can see we have successfully created account. So now here you can also select a design for a template for your website. So simply or you can also click on skip for now. So simply just click on skip for now and now here we will move to main dashboard. So here you can see this is the WordPress main dashboard. So now after that here you can see the edit site option. So simply just what you need to do, just you have to click on edit site and now you have to wait for a few seconds. So here you can see welcome to WordPress. So simply just click on try it out, click on next. So here you can see our WordPress website is finally created. Now here you can also customize this site. So simply just what you need to do, simply click here and like you can see the featured option. So simply just you can select the theme here, like I select this one. So in this section you can also select the theme for your page. So you can also edit this, like select this one and replace this image with new. Simply click here, duplicate image, and all the options are available here. So here you can see apply outbound filters, add text cover image, crop, insert link, caption. So all the options available. Simply if you select any other picture, all the options are same. And now simply go again here, and here you can see about section. So now if you want to add the about section in your site, so simply here you can see there are multiple pages here. Simply select anyone and paste it here. So here you can also add the about section of your website. So mostly put this section into last. After that click on plus button, and now here you can see the block base. So simply just you have to click here, and you can also add the block base here, like if anyone want to search items or something like that. So in the next you can see the blog option. So now if you want to add the blog, simply just select the theme here and put it on your site. So you can also edit this. So whenever you select any option here, like I have selected the blog, and after that just you can simply edit and customize it, like text, images and everything, size. So here you can see the buttons option. So here you can also add the buttons, social media buttons here. So simply after that just call to action. So simply you can also add this section to your website, like this one. After that, any coming soon arrival of your products details or news. So simply you can add this section. So just scroll down here, you can see the contact option. So here you can see the multiple themes for contact. So simply you can also select this one, and you can also add the contact detail here. But keep in mind that about and contact section should be added at the end of site. So do not use it on the top line site. Simply after that just go to editorial and just footers, gallery, headers, images, link in bio, news lister, photography, podcast, portfolio. So here you can see the portfolio example. Simply just paste it here. You can also replace the image, like I have added this image. So simply you can also replace these images. So now queries. Simply select the queries, and here put the query section here. So now again click here. Now if you want to add a gallery, simply you can see the gallery templates here. Simply select the template and paste it here. You can also edit it, like select this photo and replace it. Now again go to edit site. Now here you can also see the footers. In the footer section you can also select the footer and edit it. So here images. So now here select the any template, and you can also, if you want to upload image, you can also replace this image. So after the images you can see link in bio. So you can also add these sections here, and after that here you can see the newsletter. So you can also add the newsletter here. Now here photography. So as you can see, you can also add this section, and this is very easy. Just you have to select the relevant option and just you can replace image, cut image, crop image, all the options are here. And after that, as you can see, one by one we are completing all the details. So just again click on plus button, and now you can see you can also add cottage, shop and wireframes. So these all are the steps to completely edit your website. So once you have idea to create a WordPress website, simply you have all the images, products, videos and everything. So simply just select the one section and add the details. Like if you want to add the details about your website, so simply you can select about and edit all the details. So as you can add images like and videos into your site, so all the sections are available here. So this is very easy to create a WordPress website. So here in the blog section you can also check the paragraph, heading, list, quotes, code, form, tables, versus all the options. Here in the media section, story, video, images, galleries, audio. Like here you can see the audio option, so you can also upload audio here and it will be appeared on your WordPress website. So here you can see the widgets if you want to add free on your website. So all the widgets are available here. So as you scroll down here you can see the themes, site logos, site titles. So there are multiple logos, titles available here. So here you can see the embeds. Like if you want to embed your Twitter video, you can simply embed your Twitter video here. Like you can also add URL here. So all the social media size embeds are available in WordPress. Simply scroll down like TikTok, Pinterest and all the options are available. So simply now go down and here you can see all the other relevant options. You can also add the forms here. Simply contact form. So on grow you can also add the payment method here, and in this way you can completely create a website on WordPress. So you have got to know that how you can easily create a WordPress website. So it's depend upon you how you want to create your website. So all the sections are very easily to find, and how you can manage it, it's depend upon you. So this is the very easy way to create a WordPress website.